Kevin, I know you do a lot of personal injury work in which you're seeking to recover damages for injuries suffered to your clients, but how do you deal with missed work in a case like that?
Mark, that's a good question. You have two different components to your injury claim. First is the obvious one, your injury, and we handle that. But the second part about it is if you've missed any work because of the injury that you suffered, then you do have a claim for your lost wages. There are multiple ways in which we try to get that money back for you from what you lost based on your injury. You often need to keep good records. You need to have HR personnel or someone that you may report to at your job that's able to give you some sort of validation that you actually work there, you make the amount of money that you say you make, and that you did miss the days that they claim that you missed.
Now, I get that if you work for a big company, but what if you work for yourself or you're a private contractor? How do you document that?
Unfortunately, not everybody has an HR department or a manager that they can go to. A lot of people are private contractors or small business owners. If you're in one of those situations, then the best thing for you to do is to go back to your prior tax returns and show the amount of money that you made in the year or 2 years prior to the accident over the same period of time that you missed in this accident. So that way you're able to show how much money you were making, what was reasonable, and maybe even a range, a high and a low, so that way the insurance company can understand that even though you may not make a steady paycheck every single week, you did lose a significant portion of your income during the period of time where you were injured.
Now, I bet lost wages and missed work is a tough negotiation with insurance adjusters.
It always is. It always is. The problem is that insurance adjusters want to verify that you actually were employed where you say you were and you were making the money that you say you were. So when you're looking at cases like that, the best thing for you to do is to be organized. And that's one of the things that our firm helps you with. We will provide forms for you to take to your employer or for you to fill out yourself if you're self-employed, where you can show the exact amount of time that you missed and why. You also need your doctor or your medical professional to be able to show that they in fact told you that you were not able to work during that period of time, so it doesn't look like you took yourself out of work. If you're organized and you paint a very concise picture to the insurance company, then they will understand that you in fact did lose the amount of money and did miss the work that you say you did.
Makes sense.
For a free confidential consultation with one of our experienced injury attorneys, call our toll-free number or fill out a quick contact form today.